Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul. I am a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, CMC Vellore, which is a reputed medical university of India. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College Vellore, Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exam syllabus and pattern for 2026 will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, MPH, hospital administration, MHA, MBA, health, hospital management and other courses entrance exams for various university and institutes like Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIIMS Raipur, AIIMS Rishikesh, AIIMS Jodhpur, PGI-MER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, Indian Institute of Public Health, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, SGPGI Lucknow, KGMU Lucknow, University of Lucknow, Punjab University, and for all other university and institutes which conducts public health, hospital administration and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the website for Christian Medical College Vellore, cmch-vellore.edu. And in this video, I will give you information regarding public health, hospital administration, MPH and MHA entrance exam syllabus. So this is the information brochure, information bulletin, Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu information bulletin. So this is the admission brochure for CMC Vellore. Address is the Registrar Christian Medical College Vellore 632002 Tamil Nadu, India. And here phone number are given. Regular working hours are Monday to Friday 8 am to 5 pm, Saturday 8 am to 12 noon. Email address is given registrar@cmcvellore.ac.in and website address admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. So these are the details of courses. Applications are invited for the MHA, Master of Hospital Administration, MPH, Master of Public Health, Fellowship and MSc programs commencing in August 2026. Courses available. So here code number is given, course, educational eligibility, entrance exam, paper, number of seats, duration, fees approximate. So for Master of Hospital Administration, MHA, entrance exam paper is non-science, and for Master of Public Health MPH, here entrance exam paper is special. So I will give you information regarding what is this non-science and what comes in entrance exam paper that is special. So in this video, information regarding this will be discussed. And entrance exam will be on 21st of May 2026, that is step 1 computer based site CBT. So on 21st of May 2026 entrance exam will be held. So here information regarding entrance exam syllabus for Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA will be discussed. So for Master of Hospital Administration entrance exam is non-science. So in non-science, paper for Group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. So in Christian Medical College, Vellore, Master of Hospital Administration, the question paper will be of non-science, and in non-science, questions will come from general nature. Multiple choice questions will come from general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability. So these subjects will come in Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams, and for Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam will be special. In special paper, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidate has applied, 90 questions. So for Master of Public Health MPH entrance exam, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions, MCQs, relevant to the specialty for which the candidate has applied. So 90 questions will come from public health related subjects. So this is the information for Christian Medical College, Vellore, Master of Public Health MPH and Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exam pattern and syllabus. I am repeating this again. So for Master of Hospital Administration MHA, the entrance exam will be non-science. That is, in non-science, paper for Group B will consist of multiple choice questions of a general nature, including very basic science, general knowledge, current awareness and general ability, 90 questions. And for Master of Public Health MPH, entrance exam paper will be special, and in special, the test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidate has applied, 90 questions. So 90 questions will come from public health. For Master of Public Health, all the tests will be conducted in English. So this is the information for computer based test CBT, and for announcement of step 1 result, list of step 2, and in step 2 the list of candidates invited for step 2 will be put on the notice board in the college and town hospital campuses CMC Vellore as per the dates in the admission table in section 2. Candidates can also access the list from website admission.cmcvellore.ac.in. Further, the candidates shortlisted for step 2 will be intimated by letter sent by email. Being called for step 2 does not necessarily mean selection or acceptance of eligibility. And step 2 special test and interviews. Step 2 of the selection process includes medical checkup, special test and interview. The registration to step 2 of the selection process and a medical checkup will be held on the date mentioned in the admission timetable section 2. All candidates called for step 2 must bring a hard copy of their chest x-ray taken within the last 3 months bearing the date and name of the candidate. Candidates who are currently pregnant or if pregnancy is a possibility are exempted from the chest x-ray. At the time of registration for step 2, original certificate should be produced for verification. Attested photocopies are admissible at this stage but not when registering for admission to the respective courses. Announcement of result of step 2, the list of candidates provisionally selected will be put up on notice boards in the college and main hospital campuses CMC Vellore as per the schedule in section 2. Candidates can also access their result from the website admissions.cmcvellore.ac.in. So these are the information for Christian Medical College, CMC Vellore, entrance exam pattern and syllabus for Master of Public Health and Master of Hospital Administration. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, Master of Public Health MPH, Master of Hospital Administration MHA entrance exams for various universities like CMC Vellore, Common University Entrance Test, UTPG, AIMS, JIPMER, NIMHANS, Punjab University, Lucknow University, SGPGI, KGMU, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA, MBA, Hospital Management and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if students want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.